Okay, well, this isn't working, and that's fine. Everything's fine.
This is hopeless.
This whole trip is just a series of deader and deader ends.
Ever since that alarm went off, nothing around here works.
And I have never been inside so many jars in my life.
And the Riley we knew is gone.
And if Joy can't see that, well, then she's delusional.
Delusional? Of course I'm delusional! Do you know how hard it is to stay positive all the time when all you folks do is complain, complain, complain? Jiminy, mother, loving toaster strudel!